Subramania Swamy. Time over. Dr. Subramania Swamy. I will go through the record. I will go through the record. One of you speak, all of you are speak. One of you say.
यार नाम नहीं निकाला जाना चाहिए.
No, if it is allegatory, I will remove. If it is not allegatory, I will not remove.
उस नाम को सारे लोग जानते हैं कि संस्था का. उस नाम को सब लोग जानते हैं कि संस्था का है.
No, I will go through it. I will go through it.
Sir, you go through it.
I will go through it.
Yeah, you go through it.
I will go through it.
But our request while associates,
सर
जिनके बारे में कहा जा रहा है वो इससे very serious matter नहीं है.
Yeah.
मुझे लगता है कि
I will go through it.
Sweeping the government
Subramania Swamy.
ask the government for an explanation.
Okay, I will go through it. Subramania Swamy. Dr. Subramania Swamy, yes.
उपसभापति नाम नहीं निकाला जा सकता.
I will see it. I will go through it. I will go through it. I will go through it. देखेंगे. हम देखेंगे. हम re-examine करेंगे. Dr. Subramania Swamy. Dr. Subramania Swamy. Now, floor is given to Dr. Subramania Swamy, please.
Sit down.
Floor is given to Dr. Subramania Swamy. Sit down.
Sit down.
Sit down. Dr. Subramania Swamy.
Chairman, sir.
Yes, बोलिए.
Chairman.
You speak. You speak. No, you speak. You
All
speak.
right.
All right, you sit down. Subramania Swamy,
Mr.
please.
Deputy Chairman, recently the Narendra Modi government has placed most of the files regarding the assassination of Mahatma Gandhi in the National Archives. And I've had a chance to go through it, and I think it's very important for us because a lot of scurrilous comments are being made outside here. Even parliamentarians are making these remarks, and the Supreme Court has to pull them up and give them a stern warning. So I think this time the House discussed it, and I can, for the benefit of the House, point out three basic facts which have come out by my reading of the archival records. One is,
Please.
no,
No,
calm
please.
down.
Listen.
Calm down.
No, please. No.
Why
It is
are you
already
afraid
allowed.
of?
It is already allowed. It is.
On what basis he is
It
standing
is
up?
already allowed.
He can't stand up on a point of order on a
It
point
is
of order.
already allowed.
Ask him to sit down.
It is already permitted by Honorable Chairman.
Yeah. Please,
Yeah,
not
please.
right. You are no one to question the chair.
No.
He is questioning
No.
the chair.
First you listen to what he says. No, but. No, see.
Mr. Chairman.
First you listen to what he says.
Mr. Chairman.
No, please. No, please.
Doesn't
It's allowed.
matter. He will have to give me tomorrow next week. Also.
No, please, it's allowed.
Sit down.
No, see, Anand Sharma ji, unless you hear what he says, how can you object? No, that's okay. See,
मैं कोई गधा नहीं हूँ.
unless you hear what he says, how can you object? Let me hear. No, you didn't say anything. He only said Supreme Court has made some observation. He didn't say what it is.
Man.
Okay, please.
Mr. Deputy Chairman, for example, the records show.
Don't take any name.
I am not
telling you.
taking any name except Mahatma Gandhi.
Yeah.
I will not take any other Gandhi name.
Okay, go ahead.
I want to say that the records show that Mahatma Gandhi was not subjected to any post-mortem. As a consequence, there was a dispute in the trial of the number of bullets fired. The newspaper said 4 bullets, the prosecution said 3 bullets, and
Time over. Now it is time for question hour. Yeah, I see. Time over is time for question hour. Time for question hour. Time over.
Second, sir, 2 seconds, sir. Second.
Yeah. That is allowed by Honorable Chairman.
Minister, I was saying, please tell the chairman.
No, I will go through the record. If there is any objectionable, I will remove it. If there is anything objectionable, no, if there is anything objectionable, I will remove it. I will go through the record. But it is allowed.
कोई गलती की हो तो ये चेयर रूल नियम 9 में बदल सकती है। नियम 9 में ये चेयर को पूरी पावर है कि उसको
I will go through the record. I will go through the record.